What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. Today, guys, we're going to talk about an RWA token, meaning real world assets. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you're new around here, smash the like button down below and consider subscribing to the channel. You guys know I always mention that specific line, trying to put you guys on the plays that I am in. And this here, I think, is going to be one of the biggest winners in this bull cycle. And the reason I say that is the category of token that this specific coin belongs to is RWA. You guys know in previous bull runs, we've seen things like meme coins perform very well, and I think they will always continue to perform well. But with this cycle, we're seeing AI enter the DeFi space. We're seeing DPIN and RWA, but I want to talk about real world assets. And for those of you that are wondering what the heck is a real world asset, it's exactly that. It's a tangible asset that's brought on chain somehow, some way. So it could be real estate, it could be any type of hardware, and that's what we're going to talk about with PinLink. That is some hardware that they're bringing on chain. So what we're going to talk about is PinLink. One of my favorite individuals over on the Twitter space, Mr. Alex Becker, has been talking about this token for quite some time. And you guys know Alex Becker is someone that I look up to because he's helped me personally make a lot of money and a lot of wins in the previous bull cycles. So he's been talking about it on his platform for quite some time. He said, I gave you PIN less than a month ago at a $15-ish million market cap. Have a nice day and enjoy your yacht in Dubai. You new rich MF for you. So it's kind of nice to see that, again, people are winning, but I still think right now we're seeing a little bit of a retracement in PinLink. It's at $2.85 per token. And I'll tell you all the reasons as to why I am personally bullish and why I think it's going to do well, especially because of the fact it's still not offered on a lot of exchanges. It is an ERC or Ethereum-based cryptocurrency on the Ethereum blockchain, but we'll go ahead and discuss that in just a moment. The first thing you might wonder, like, what in the world is PinLink and what in the world is RWA? So if you go over on their website, you'll see kind of the basics here. And I'll try to make sure that I'm inclusive of the majority of it. I'll make my screen a little smaller so you guys can see that quite clearly. So when you first go in, you're going to see this little GPU or a graphics card right when you enter their website. And it kind of talks about the RWA tokenized DPIN model. So the RWA tokenized DPIN model drives down costs for AI developers. The first fractionalized liquidity layer for DPIN. That is what they're bringing. Fractionalized ownership for DPIN assets creates more flexibility, revenue streams for DPIN asset owners. Okay. PIN AI Performance Optimization Suite. That's one of the things that they're offering. Applies machine learning tools to optimize the outputs of DPIN assets for AI developers. So the question right now is, why is this beneficial? How can it be helpful? And where do investors actually need to look into this to see whether or not this is the right fit for you for an investment? Increase income for DPIN asset owners. So increase revenue potential and more flexible monetization options via new dual income stream from asset rental and RWA ERC 1155 sales. So guys, with that being said, this is kind of where I'm going into. This is how I'm going to enter this specifically. For me, PinLink looks as if it's going to be one of the first contributors to the crypto and DeFi ecosystem from all the things that they're offering on chain. With that being said, at the current valuation that it's at, right? Because that's what I look at a token. What's it currently valued at? Right now, its FDV or fully diluted market cap is right around 285 million, but its current circulating market cap is $229 million. Very low volume. Again, no CEXs except for Uniswap, really. I don't even know what KCEX is or BVOX is. So with that being said, the majority of trading that is happening is still on chain. Not yet readily available for the smaller investors that are potentially out there. So some of the other things that they have: attracting more capital by purchasing fractional shares of RWA DPIN ERC 1155. Non-DPIN owners can secure a source of passive income without having to purchase an entire DPIN asset, enhancing the ecosystem's decentralization and capital flow. So again, that's where things are starting to get a little bit more interesting, is you as just a beneficiary or a shareholder or someone who is basically holding some of their tokens, there are some benefits of this. Lower cost for AI developers, discounted pricing on enterprise grade compute power due to the capital efficiencies created by PinLink's unique RWA tokenized DPIN marketplace mechanics. So overall, I think there's a lot of benefits in potentially just holding this token, right? Because that's what the question becomes: is it worth for me to hold? You can see there's the entire main team. And of course, as always, guys, this can't be financial advice for any of you. I'm just trying to put you guys on the plays that I'm in, and I'm providing and showing why I think that this could be an actual winner. When you're trying to diversify your portfolio, make sure you're looking at not just meme coins and not just AI coins and not just deep end coins. Get some RWA exposure as well. If you're in crypto, make sure you're in the entire crypto ecosystem in case one area performs better than the others. And I think RWA is at the forefront of innovation going into 2025. And that's why I do foresee it being a winner. So I say right now at a $229 million market cap, not yet readily available for most investors to buy into because a lot of people don't like trading on DEXs. This can easily become a multi-billion-dollar cryptocurrency because, again, they are truly building something that is unique. It's different. And they've won a lot of the market share already just via their decentralized exchange trading volume. That's it. That's where all of this, where you can see from November 15th when it was at 4 cents and now it's at $2.90 or so. I still think, again, believe it or not, this can easily become a $10, $20, $30, $50, $100 token because of the upside potential, as just looking at it from, again, almost like the side of things that I cover on this channel typically is exchange listings, having very big individuals following the token, covering it on their platforms. When you just look at those kind of things, yes, it's a utility play. I think if they're able to execute on all the things that they currently have on their site and roadmap, which they've already done quite a bit of, and it's only been so long since this token has been live and trading, I'd say, again, you can get some quite extensive upside momentum for this project over the next 3 to 6 months and even probably a year plus as we enter a new bull cycle. So again, when in doubt, always zoom out, but understand that over the last 7 days, we've kind of seen this thing going almost back to its support line at $1.90. Now currently sitting at $2.80, but I think at an all-time high of $4.05, we can not only see that, but much, much higher. I appreciate your support as always, guys. That's all I had. So until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.